Hi, I'm Neil Sequeira, Director of Product and Marketing at Qliktag Software. And today we're really happy to walk you through the brand new version of Qliktag NFC Tools Tag Encoding Software. Now, encoding NFC tags is typically easy. However, when it comes to encoding Type-4 NFC tags, which are the kind of tags that are associated with use cases like authentication and anti-counterfeiting, these kind of tags have been much more complex and involve a lot of configuration. And this is something we've tried to address and simplify with our new tag encoding software. So what I'm going to do today is I have 4 items here set up in the Qliktag platform, and we're going to encode authentication tags or the NTAG 424 DNA authentication tags using the new software. So I have with me a couple of these tags which are blank, and then I have the NFC tag encoding device, which is a hardware device which uses a USB cable to be plugged into my laptop. And this can be plugged into a MacBook or a Windows machine. And then you have the Qliktag NFC Tools encoding software, which you install onto your laptop to actually help you encode these tags. So we're just going to open up that software. And you'll see the login screen here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use the same credentials that you use typically to log into the Qliktag platform to also log into this software. So I'm going to add my account and my login credentials. And my password. And hit the sign in button. And you'll see that the system checks to see whether you've connected your device into the USB port. So you need to make sure that you have your tag encoder device plugged in, and you'll see that blue light come on. So our device is now being detected and it's ready. And the next thing I need to do here is this option here, which says add items to the queue list. So I'm going to pick items that I've already added into the platform and bring it into this software. So I click the add to button and I select the entity. I'm also going to select a couple of different fields that I want to see and make sure that they're visible. For example, the product name or the item name. And I'd also like to see the serial number, and I'd like to see the NFC tag UID field as well. So I'm going to select those 3, and you'll see that they appear in the results, which makes it easier for you to sort through the items you have in your system and pick the ones that you want to encode. So I'm just going to sort this. And what I want to do is I want to bring in these serial numbers here. So I'm going to pick serial number 05, 06, 07, and 08. And once I've checked those, I just click on add items. I select the domain, make sure that the domain that I've selected is correct. And then I need to select the tag UID field, make sure that I map the tag UID field, because once we're done encoding the tags, the system is going to pick the tag UIDs of each tag and register it against the corresponding item into the tag UID field. And that's how the tags become active. And I'm just going to hit submit. And you'll see here it's queued up the items, and these items are now ready to be encoded into the tags. So I have the tags with me. I'm going to hit the start button, and I'm going to pass each one of these tags over the tag encoding device. So I hit start, and I'm going to pass the first tag over the device, and you'll see that it's encoded. I'm going to do the next one and the next one and the last one. And it's really as simple as that. You'll see all my tags have been encoded. All the ones that I've encoded have moved over to the right hand side, and you'll see the status. And what the system's going to do is it's going to automatically update the tag IDs in the main Qliktag platform. So you'll see now that it's just changed to registered. And that means each tag UID has been registered against the correct item within the Qliktag platform backend. So the software that you install on your laptop is connected to the Qliktag platform, and it makes it really simple to bring in items in bulk, encode a bunch of tags. You see that I've just encoded these 4 tags in just seconds. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring my phone over and tap one of the tags. And you'll see that the tags have been encoded. It'll bring up the experience and authenticate. So it's really that simple to encode a bunch of items into these tags using the new Qliktag NFC Tag Encoder software. Thank you.